Eat a whole octopus with me. He said Tater's gonna try this. Okay, my husband's gonna try it. I just got this at the Asian market yesterday, and it was already pre-cooked, so I didn't have to boil it. All I had to do was grill it and add some seasonings. I think octopus is good. They already had it cleaned out. Everything is already cleaned out. I just popped the inside out. And it's pretty good. I love the tentacles. It's my favorite part. I could cut it, but it wouldn't be as fun to eat on video. My husband won't even try it. I just made this with some olive oil seasoning. It's pretty good. See how tender? I can just rip it off with my nail. So my friend Tater, that everybody loves, is here. I'm gonna have him try it. I'll be right back. He said Tater's gonna try this.
It's not a butthole.
Is it good?
That's real good.
It's really good, isn't it?
That's good.
People are probably gonna make fun of me for eating this.
Let's try this little one.
I know the tentacles are my favorite part. Eat that one. Dip it in the sauce.
What is that, a garlic?
Like garlic, olive oil, and some other seasonings.
Sauce is very good too. It's my signature move.
Okay, my husband's gonna try it. Is it good?
Very chewy.